the Mrs. Shelton art room, and today we're going to make origami puppets, origami hand puppets. So to start with, you're going to need a regular piece of paper. This is a piece of typing paper or computer paper, and we're going to start by making it into a square. So we're going to fold our paper over until we touch the corner like this. We're going to make our crease like so, and you'll see your paper will look like it's got a little strip at the bottom. We're going to take that and cut it out. And then when you open it, you should have a square piece of paper to start with for our origami fold. Now, to start with, we have one crease going this way. We need a crease going the other way. So we're going to take this end here and touch corner to corner. And we have a big triangle now. So when you open it up, you have a big X mark. These lines are going to help us when we're folding. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this corner to the center and kind of touch it to the center point there. So we're finding our center point of our picture. And we're going to turn and we're going to repeat folding up into the center. Now you want to make sure you don't overlap as you're doing this. Fold up, turn, fold up to the center. And fold up to the center. Now that you have it folded, we're going to flip it over, and you have kind of like this square shape here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to come to the corner, and we're going to fold that and make it touch that little middle point. So we're folding that into a little triangle over here, and fold this one up into the corner. And we're going to take this one and fold it up into the corner. And up into the corner. And it's going to look something like this when you're done. Now, you're going to take that and you're going to fold it in half, just like this. Now this is where we get to the puppet part. I'm not going to turn it into a puppet just yet, but we're going to have it like this so that we know what we're going to do next, which is we're going to draw in our reindeer design. Now our reindeer design is going to be a little odd to draw in, because we can't draw it straight and it show up in the puppet, because all of this is going to fold up. So you're going to follow me as I draw in our design in each square. Okay? So we're going to start up here at our top square.